Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a great day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, so if you enjoy subscription boxes and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Now, I do want to go ahead and let you guys know, as you can see from the title, today we are opening the September 2020 Heart and Honey box. I do want to put it out there that this is an adult subscription, so if you're not into that, or if you're not over the age of 18, you may want to go ahead and exit out now. But Heart and Honey, first let me say thank you so very much to Heart and Honey for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. But it is a sexual wellness and intimacy subscription box for women and their partner. It says harmony, vitality, and passion. So we are going to get in here and see what we got for September. I do want to go over, they do have 3 different plans available for the subscription. They have their Bumblebee plan, which is $55 a month. They have their Queen Bee, that is $69.99 a month. And then they have a couples box. So they do have a little bit, kind of, different budgets, different plans, things like that. So I'll put a link down below. Definitely check them out. And let's go ahead and we're going to get in here. We're going to see. It comes in a plain white box, so it's very discreet. And we're going to open it and see what it is like. So when we open it, it says Aloha. So that must be our theme. And let's see here. So we have a card, which is awesome. And it says, if you were to ask someone in Hawaii, what does aloha mean to you? You may receive a variety of answers. Aloha is an essence of being, love, peace, compassion, and a mutual understanding of respect. Aloha means living in harmony with the people and land around you, living with mercy, sympathy, grace, and kindness. When greeting another person with aloha, there is a mutual regard and affection. This extends with warmth and caring for each other with no obligation to receive anything in return. The direct translation from Hawaiian to English is the presence of divine breath. As we close out an unusual summer, what better farewell could there be than aloha? So it says we start out with a bevy of products from Maui Soap Company. So we're not going to go into too much of that because I want to just get in here and see what we got. So let's just start here. What is this? This is the Aloha Coconut Milk Body Mist. So let's see. I'm gonna shake it just in case anything is settled. So, oh my gosh. That smells so good. I've been to Hawaii twice. I want to go back. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this, it says the Heavenly Hawaiian Aromatherapy Coconut Milk Body Mist. Oh my gosh. With oils of coconut, kukui, and macadamia. It's alcohol-free. It's 2 ounces. It just smells so good. Like, just imagine sunscreen without the, sunscreen smell. Just, the goodness of sunscreen. That is tropical and fun. That's what this is. This smells fantastic. I love it. Oh, this is gorgeous. So this is a kukui and coconut oil. This is a soap, bar soap. It is gorgeous. It's hibiscus. Sublime handcrafted Hawaiian bar soap, and the kukui coconut oil and real tropical fruit, moisturizing and rich lathering. This beautiful bar softens and smooths skin. No phthalates, 100% cruelty-free and vegan. It is 6 ounces. Oh my gosh. I honestly didn't know if I was going to be able to smell it since it's wrapped up. And honestly, all I can smell is the coconut goodness. But I can smell it. You guys, this smells amazing. Oh, and it looks like 5% profit donated, I'm guessing to wildlife or something. There's like a little sea turtle. So they give back, which is great. That smells so good. Okay. Then, let's see. We have got, what is it? 5% donated to save Hawaiian wildlife. Okay. So then we got the Maui Kiss body lotion. Right here. It's a good size. Paraben free body kiss or Maui Kiss body lotion is created with aloe vera, green tea, and tropical avocado oil, which absorbs quickly to help replenish and protect skin against dehydration for a soft, healthy, luminous complexion. Formulated with extracts of chamomile, cucumber, and gotu koala, I'm not sure, and golden jojoba oil, vitamin E for superior hydration. And then this talks about 5% net profits are given to save Hawaii's endangered species. This is 98% natural, 70% organic, 100% vegan and cruelty free. It's 8 ounces. Let's see what it smells like. There is a safety seal. Oh. Y'all, this just smells fantastic. Got some right there. Oh my gosh. This just smells so good. Like, all of this smells good. Like, I'm gonna feel like I'm in Hawaii when I take a shower with the soap and then put the lotion and the spray on. I smell like I came back from vacation. All right, and then let's see. There's something right here that looks beautiful. Next, we include a delicate reminder of a beautiful place, the Aloha Pendant, 925 sterling silver under a warm rose gold plate. This dainty pendant features crystal and shell accents. You can almost hear the waves. So again, it's really cute the way it's packaged. Oh, I was like, how do I open it? The bow is magnetic. Okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at that necklace. That is gorgeous. It's like, it is dainty, but it is stunning. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. That is just absolutely beautiful. All right, and then now we are to the final item, the star of the show. And it's hard to miss. It's the best of a sunny Hawaiian afternoon. If the best of a sunny Hawaiian afternoon was packaged into a vibrating dill, it would be the Yummy Sunshine by Satisfier. Yummy Sunshine is a pleasurably curved vibe that pampers you with its sensually ribbed structure, inclined tip and deep vibrations. In a perky yellow with a smooth touch surface, it will give you intense climaxes, making your sun shine for days. It's a USB rechargeable, high quality silicone and waterproof. Yummy Sunshine comes with a 15-year guarantee. Well, hygienic seal, like a safety seal, but it's a hygienic seal. So let's take a look. Holy guacamole. It's got a handle. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I didn't know it was going to do that. Can y'all hear that? Can I change it? I don't know if you can see that. Can y'all see that? It's moving. Oh my. Oh. You know what? I didn't say where you had to use it. Oh, that feels good. Whew, okay. Can I cut this thing off? Okay. Woo! So we got our sunshine on a cloudy day. We got the soap, the body mist. I'm sorry, not soap, the lotion. You'll see it's got my mind to go. The lotion, the body mist, the soap, which all smell fantastic. This is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. And then the little dainty necklace that is just beautiful. This was awesome. Like, I already smell fantastic, and wow. Okay, so that was the Aloha Heart and Honey for September 2020. Let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. A special thank you to our channel members. I do greatly appreciate your support. It means so much. And just being here and watching means a lot. So if you're not a member and all you can do is watch the videos, I appreciate that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, a link will be down below for Heart and Honey. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how your day is. I love hearing from you guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.